Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. In this video, I am going to show you how to make money as a freelancer online without any skill at all. All you need is a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and you are set for life. This is very simple guys, and anybody can do this from any country in the world. Now you must have heard of this website called Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancer website where people go to work online. It is very easy and straightforward. So right here on this website, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Fiverr by just removing backgrounds from people's pictures. And don't worry, you don't need to be an expert in Photoshop or any of those expensive softwares. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this without any skill at all. As you can see right here on this website, there are a lot of people already doing this and making a lot of money on this website called Fiverr. And you too can do it. So make sure you follow step by step everything I'm going to be showing you in this video. As you can see right here on this website, this seller has done over 1k background removed for many customers on this website. And this is a lot of money guys. This one also has done over 1k background removed. This one has also done over 400 background removed. And this one has also done over 1k background removed. If you scroll down, there are a lot more people doing this already and making a lot of money online guys. This person has done over 200 backgrounds removed. This person has done over 1k. This person has done over 400. This one has also done over 1k background removed. And guys, if you scroll down, you will see more and more people on this website making money by just removing backgrounds. And don't worry, I am going to show you how you can also do this, all for free without any skill or software involved at all. So right now, I want you to go to this website right here. The website is called PGEUP.com. So once you are on this website, you scroll down and all you need to do is either upload your picture by clicking right here where it says choose a photo, or just drag and drop it right here. So let us try editing one picture and see. So click here on choose a photo and choose any of the photos of your choice and let it load. And once you are done, come over to this side and click on apply. And it will start to process. Wait for it to process. And as you can see, the background of this image is removed successfully. And once you are done, scroll down and click on download and it will be downloaded onto your PC. So all you need right now is to go back to Fiverr and create an account by signing up on Fiverr, which is totally free. As you can see, you can sign up with your Facebook account, with your Google account, with your Apple account. So go through the process and sign up. And once you are done signing up on Fiverr as a freelancer, you will be able to get customers that will pay you to get their background pictures removed. So guys, this is very simple and easy to do. So make sure you try this out and start making money. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video when we post a new video. And we will see you in the next video.